Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will show you some travel clips we shot during our Euro trip. After 18 hours long haul flight, finally we arrived in the Great Britain. We toured London Bridge, cruised the Thames River, and enjoyed a hot pot in Chinatown. After seeing more horse riding placements, we decided to carry on. Our next destination was Edinburgh, a city with the coldest weather and the strongest accent in the UK. We were fascinated by the history of Scottish delicacy haggis. I wasn't courageous enough to eat it, but I heard it was delicious.
Drenching your gushing entrails breath like Connie dipped, and then
After saying goodbye to the beautiful UK, it was another long haul flight, but it was all worth it because we arrived in Italy, the place with no pasta. I mean, no pasta at all. We had a blast in Rome, and we fell in love with Venice. Cruising through Seine River, we arrived in Paris. After countless shots with the magnificent Arc de Triomphe, we decided to enter the Louvre. It's time to see the Mona Lisa, and we are not leaving until we see it. Then is Australia. The country has more kangaroos than human beings. We hiked, surfed, and played with kangaroo, and now it's time for home. What's your next destination? If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.